Gets no better than this.
Are you guys like best friends?
Yep.
Which one of you is the most like cerebral, the most in your head, like too, like, does that make sense? The most serious, like,
Me.
vote. Let's take
out
a
of
vote.
all
Let's
of
take
us?
out of the three of you, take a vote.
Rico.
You saying Rico, you saying Rico. All right, Rico. Then Rico, I'm gonna let you hold on to this, okay? Name a playing card. One I probably wouldn't think about. The Ace of Spades is really common. The Queen of Hearts is really common. A lot of people think about it. Pick it. Think of a card that I wouldn't think about, or whatever. You know, one that isn't super.
Two of clubs.
Two of clubs. Why did you pick that?
I think because in spades comes the suit that nobody likes.
That's true. Clubs is super random. Now, in a way, I may have influenced you in saying pick a card that no one would think about. That may have influenced you to pick a club. So I want to give you a chance to change your mind. You don't have to. You can stick with the two of clubs. That's perfectly fine. But I just want to give you the option. So, are you happy with the two of clubs, or do you want to pick a different card?
I picked different cards.
Go ahead. What is it?
Six of hearts.
Now, why'd you pick the Six of Hearts? Because now Hearts is arguably the most common suit thought about.
Yes.
So now I'll ask you this. Now we have two cards. Do you want the Six of Hearts or do you want the Two of Clubs? And you've been holding on to this the whole time.
Yeah.
Look at this. There's one card in here that's different from all the other ones. Oh shit, there's two.
What the fuck? Now you, what is it? You want me to
Go-
Pick it up, bro.
and
get the fuck out of here, bro? He really picked the two cards. This shit was in my head.
Put that down. You don't do nothing like that ever again. Ever. That shit was wild as fuck, bro. You gotta teach me how to do that so I can show everybody that.
Dude, that was fire because you didn't even touch the deck at all, bro. That's pretty amazing, man. That shit got my mind going.
These two cards, I'm like, hell no. Hell no. There's no way he's doing that, man. And then bro pulls it out. I'm like, oh my god, this is fucking magic, huh? This is magic right in my eyes. Gets no better than this. Fuck yeah, nah, that was dope, bro. I really I fucked with that shit, bro. For real.
thanks for watching, you guys. I'm Jarek120. Come back tomorrow for another daily Street Magic video. Make sure to like and comment this video because I'll be hosting a contest once I hit 900,000 subs. Check out my other social media, all at Jarek120, and my second channel, Best Life I Ever Had. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.